Hello everyone, welcome back to JP Pirtle TV. Today we're down in right off Rawlings Street, down in sort of Germantown, right by Louisville. Great little house here potentially. Let me tell you a story about this house. These people have owned this house for decades and they had a lot of stuff, and quite frankly they just, they didn't know what to do because they had all this stuff. They called us and we gave them all their best options, and they wanted to sell it to us as is. No commissions, no closing costs, no showings, no home inspectors, no repairs, no hassles, no stress. So we just bought this. We just closed on it actually. And take a quick look at it, Jody. It needs a lot of work and it has a lot of stuff in it. Yes, so as you can tell, backyard's the same way. It's gonna need a lot of work, but that's okay. That's what we do. I had guys for that. So whether you or anybody else want to sell your property and you want all your best options, please hit the link below. We'll come out and meet you free, no obligation, tell you all your options, including buying it as is. No commissions, no closing costs, no showings, no repairs, no hassles, no stress. Take what you want and leave the rest. And you can see they left in a lot of stuff, and that's not your worry, that's mine. Please give us a call. Thanks for all your past referrals and all your business. Real estate investors, we're buying a lot of houses. We're always looking for partners. If you're looking for inventory, you can partner with us. Hit the link below. Thank you very much. And I say this very humbly, if you don't call JP Pirtle Real Estate, we both lose. See you again soon.